Welcome back. Now first open your Chrome browser or your web browser, any web browser, and in the address section type developer.vuforia.com. Okay, so let us go to this developer website, and in the developer website, once you visit there, login using your account credentials. So now once you log in here, we had created this was AR poster was our first project we had created. Now let us create one more development key. Click here, get development key. Now type the name. So we are now going to give it the name as AR book. AR capital BOOK. We will give this the name as AR book. And here let us just understand how this license key works. So when you are using development key, here it shows that there is no price for it, and it says that reco usage is 1000 per month. The actual thing here is that is you can assess the image target on Vuforia for 1000 times per month. Okay, that is you can upload around 1000 images, and overall you can assess 1000 times per month. So this is the limitation, and you have one view mark. So this is like a barcode. You can generate your own barcode or a own symbol, and as soon as you focus towards that symbol, automatically you will have your details or the image target will be recognized. So this we will do it later. We will understand what view mark is later. So you can have one view mark template and you can use it 100 times per month. So this is the details of this license key. Then click here by checking this box, I acknowledge. So this you click confirm here, and now we have a new developer account created. We have to use AR book. Okay, click on AR book, which we had recently created. You can see your license key here. Click on it and it gets copied to clipboard. Now come back to Unity. Coming to Unity, select AR camera, and when you have selected AR camera, you have here open Vuforia engine configuration. So now click on open Vuforia engine configuration, and you have app license key here. So click here and press Ctrl V or paste your license key. So once you have pasted your license key, now you have activated Vuforia to use for your application. Now go to file and choose save to save this. So we have added the license key. So once the app license key has been added, now come back to browser, and now in the browser we are using AR book, and click on target manager, because now we are going to add the target into this. So now in target manager, what we are going to do is we are now going to create a new database. Now here we shall click on add database. So we are going to now add a new database. Give this the name as AR capital book database. So we have named it as AR book database, and in type, see, you can create database in 3 types. Device means this database will be downloaded and it will be stored in your phone. Cloud means this database will be in Vuforia, and whenever you are using it, it is going to access this from the cloud. So because we are using device, the limitation of 1000 images per month will not apply to us, because we are not using cloud at all. If you are using ViewMark, you can use only one active database. So right now in all our project, let us use device. So choosing device here, click create. Now a new database has been created, AR book database. So now let us add our images one by one. So now click on AR book database. Clicking on AR book database, first click add target. We are going to choose single image. Now go to browse And now in your AR book project, in scan drawing book, this content has already been provided to you. The first picture that we will be adding is, say for example, we are going to add the aeroplane. Select this aeroplane and click open. And let us set the width of it to around 4, because last time we kept it 6 and it was very big, that image, that paper. So let us keep it little less to around 4. And before you add, give proper name. So let us name this as PLANE, or we shall call it as airplane. So we will call it as airplane in all small letter and click add. So now the target will be uploaded and it will be added. So it shows processing, and after some time this will be active. So if I just refresh the screen, you can see it is showing active and it is 5-star rated, means this is a good target. If I click on airplane now, this target image will open and you can click on show features. So it will show you the features. These are the features it is identifying. So if the rating, you have to see this augmentable rating. This should be good. So with this, fine. Now come back to AR book database and let us load our next image. Now next here, again click on add target. Single image has been selected. Click on browse and let us now select the cover page. So this 6 AR book is the cover page. So select this AR book cover page image. Click open and now set the width to 4 and give it the name as cover page. Let us call this as cover page and click add. So when we click add, again the target will be uploaded. So after it uploads, refresh the page once and it will ask confirm submission. Click continue and you can see it has been activated. Now click on cover page and click on edit features. The features are good. Augmentable rating is also good. So now come back to AR book database and similarly add your targets one by one. Again click on add target, browse, and this time let us select sun. Click open and set the width to 4 and give it the name as, let us name it as sun, and click add. Again the target is uploaded and say this is immediately it became active. So and its rating, see this image has little lower rating, it is showing 4 rating. So if I click on sun here, so it is not able to get the right detail, so slightly lower, but still 4 is okay, you can use it. So after this, again click on add target with single image. Now after sun, let us select ship, click open, set the width to 4 and give it the name as ship. Let us call it as ship, click add. So this will again upload the target and again it is showing processing here. And now just refresh it, and when you refresh it you can see again even ship the target value is 4. So slightly the rating is little low but still okay, because there are too many lines here and because of that this image has become very clumsy now. So it is showing augmentable 4 rating. You click on features to see the features. So after this, come back to AR book database. So we have loaded 4 images now. Again click on add target with single image. Now after ship, select house. So selecting house, click open. Now come to width, set the width to 4. Give this the name as house and click add. So again the target will be updated, and once the target is added, say automatically house got 5 ranking. Okay, so this is good. Okay, so this target, it says these features are good, so it has got 5 rating. Okay, no problem. So after this, again come back, click here add target. Now again browse and we are going to select forest. Click open and give the width as 4, give it the name as forest and click add. So wait for target is being uploaded. Once it is uploaded, even forest is 5 rated. Click on forest. So click on show features. Okay, this is good. Come back to AR book database, and now we have added 1 2 3 4 5 6 images. One image is pending. Click on add target, single image, browse, and now choose the car image. Click open. Again set the width to 4, name it as car, and click add. So car, it is showing processing. So now again refresh the page, click confirm submission, and now you can see car is also activate 5 rating. So except Ships and Sun, all other has been rated as 5. So we have now successfully uploaded all our images. So after this, our next job here is, you have one button called download database. So click on, if you have not selected any image here, all images will be selected, or you can select individually and you can download it. So right now do not select everything, anything, then it shows here download database all. Click on this, and now when it asks for this download database window, click on Unity Editor. Instead of Android Studio, Xcode or Visual Studio, choose Unity Editor and click download. And this will compile the database, and the entire database will be downloaded to your machine. So you can see here this database has been downloaded. So if I open this folder, you can see now this database has been downloaded. So let us cut it from here and bring it to our folder Satvik Unity, and here in our Ayush AR book, inside this CAN drawing book only, let us right click and choose paste. So we have kept the database ready. So this completes our job of creating the databases. So after this, let us test our that is whether Vuforia is working or not. To test it, now just click the play button here. So when you click the play button here, your camera webcam should be visible here. So that if it is not visible, see that if you come to this setting inspector here, see in this Vuforia configuration, you can see that in play mode type it is selected webcam, and camera devices, your camera device is selected here. Then you can see your image, and if you are seeing your image, then Vuforia is configured properly. So stop the playback. Now go to file and choose save, and let us end this session here, and let us start adding image target and models from the next session.